All right, so we're back working on the KTM. The vertex piston came in. Looks pretty good. It's the piston kit, comes with the wrist pin, piston ring, circlips, and obviously the piston. Looks nice. Looks almost better than the OEM one. We're gonna go ahead and place this piston. Remember, this piston's got a couple hours on it, maybe an hour. So yeah, we'll go ahead and remove the piston and put the new one on and reuse one of the cylinders that we have that's still good. All right, we got the old piston off. Here it is. Again, about an hour on it. The new piston in comparison. Very similar markings. A lot shinier. Like I said, this does come with the wrist pin, circlips, and the piston ring. So we're gonna go ahead and actually, 1 second, I'm gonna get the cylinder. Here's a cylinder we're gonna use. This is actually the one that came with the bike when we bought it broken. It's got better, it's in better condition than the new one we bought because, obviously because of that top end explosion we had. But we're gonna use this one, we're gonna roll with it, we're gonna see how long we can last. And then if it blows up again, we'll just send off the cylinder to get bored out, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got the piston on there, and now it's time to put the cylinder back on. And, oh, we got the ring on there too, the piston ring. The only thing of note here is the arrow on the cylinder should be facing the exhaust. So we have it oriented like so. And now carefully inserting the cylinder over the piston. Voila. We're using the gasket over again because it's, again, about an hour old. Should be good. Okay, we got the bike put back together. Put some gas in it. Fluids. Choke. It's just exciting as the first time we started it. Will it run? Okay, let's give it, I'm just gonna give it a pilot kick. Just look at that. Feels healthy. Sure it's got gas. Prime it a little. Well, she started. Hold the bike up next. I'm going to open this too.
Sit on it. Nice.
Try to kick it. Hold on. So the KTM lives. Just finished heat cycle number 1. Let it basically idle for 10 minutes. See the radiator. Toasty. So now we're gonna let it fully cool down and give it another go. It is super late where we're at in our cabin, so we might do it early in the morning and do it a couple more times. All right, today's the day. It's all heat cycled, and now he's gonna get to go on his first rip. We're gonna work on some fundamentals, just basic shifting. You ready, dude? Yeah. Go ahead. Give it gas. Nice start, dude. Clutch, clutch. All right, here she is all cleaned up. She's finally done and running, and my son's been riding this thing all weekend. So, obviously now, it seems the last thing we need to do is actually make it look good. It's got worn out plastics, just kind of a beat up old look to it. It's even got a, like you've seen in previous videos, a silencer that's not so operational. Came like this. Anyway, we've been trying to buy an FMF Power Core 2 or Turbine Core, but haven't had any luck finding one in stock. So if you have a hookup, let us know. But otherwise, comment below on what graphics or color scheme or plastics we should go. But yeah, this is almost done. It's she's a runner. Max, anything you want to say?
Runs great.
Runs great.
I like riding it.
You like riding it? Yeah. On the trails. It's a fast bike. Awesome. All right, well, we'll see you guys on the next video.